Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olufemi Michael. I'm a data analytics instructor. Today we'll be looking at how to import data from the website into Microsoft Excel for analysis. Now, before I proceed, I would like to remind my subscribers concerning my Microsoft Excel video online course that will be coming out on the 24th of this month. This video is designed for those that do not know the dynamic power of Microsoft Excel to learn and embrace the tool. It is also designed for anyone that is already using Microsoft Excel but wants to increase his or her expertise in it. It's a video where you'll be able to learn Microsoft Excel from the scratch. So remember I said it last video that the price will be affordable. So once the video is out, I will post the link for you to purchase. Thank you. Now, how can we import from a particular website or from a website into Microsoft Excel for analysis? Now, the first thing you need to do is to ensure that you are connected. You have a strong internet. Now, the second thing is you will need to know the particular website that you want to import the data from. Don't forget the data you want to analyze. You will need to know that particular website you want to import the data from. So when you are able to know that, then you can now go ahead to import the data. Now, my internet is already on. Now the second thing now is the website I want to import the data from. Well, the data I want to import is the list of Nigerians population in 2023. So I have my Mozilla Firefox already on. So now I will type it, population by Nigeria population 2023 by states. So I will click. Now I will try to scroll up. Now this is list of Nigeria states by population. This is the focus. So I will click. Now if you scroll up, you will see the table. So we have state, we have population, 2006 population, 2023 population, we have surface area and the density. Now this is the table we want to import and this is the table we want to analyze. So now I will go down and copy the URL. So I will copy the URL using my Ctrl C. Now that I'm done with that, I will go back to my Microsoft Excel. Now when you get back to your Excel, you now locate your data tab. Click your data tab and then go to new query. Click your new query. So under new query, we have from database, but we are not using that. We are using from the web. So you will click from the web. So you wait a bit. Now, so I'm still waiting. Good. Now that URL that you copied from that website, you now paste it here. Once you are done with that, just click your OK and relax again. Relax again. Relax again. So now if you look at here, we have the URL, we have documents, and we have table. Now we are not dealing with documents, rather we are dealing with table. So I will click my table. So now if you look at the preview, you will see that we have the density, the surface area. Now if I want to get rid of my surface area and the density, I will need to delete. And for me to be able to do this, I will need to go to my I will need to go into I will need to import my data into Power Query. That is, yes, into Power Query for the transformation. So if I say transform data, then it will load it inside Power Query. It will load it inside Power Query for my data to be transformed. It will load it inside. But now I am not loading it. I'm not loading it there because I am not transforming this data. I only want to show you how you can import from the website into Microsoft Excel. That's the only thing I want to show you. So that means I don't need to transform this data. Then instead of me to click transform and the Power Query will open and I will clean the data, I will just click my load. So I will just click my load. Once I click load, I will wait a bit. Now if you look at here, we have 37 rows loaded. Then you can close. This. Now I have my data, what I imported from that website. I can now begin to analyze my data using pivot table or charts. So now, lastly, the website where I imported this data from, what if they update the data that they have in their website? Let's say they update it. How will I effect it on this table? Well, very simple. What you just need to do is to be connected, and once you are connected, just click your refresh. Once you are connected, just click your refresh. Click your refresh, and this is your refresh here. Refresh all. So you will just refresh your data, and then it will effect on this table. It will effect on this table. That will be all for today. I hope you've learned something. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to be able to see more of my videos. Thank you. Bye.